Babes, I am sharing this super sleek braided ponytail tutorial. It's a quick protective hairstyle that's trending in 2025. And you know what? It is beginner friendly and it is ideal for everyday or special occasion. So let's take this natural hair ponytail guide step by step. For this sleek ponytail style, I'm going to be featuring Dali hair, and this is their 60 inches Empress collection. I'm also going to be using edge control to slick my hair back really well. First thing first, I would say make sure your hair is clean, it is well shampooed, and it is really relaxed, because that's the only way you can really manipulate this style and you will really enjoy it, especially if you have a short hair like mine. But if you don't want to risk relaxing your hair, that means you're going to be using a whole lot of hair control styling gel, and also you'll need to get lots of edge control. So I part my hair in half from ear to ear. This just creates a clean division for the hair, and also I use a rubber band to secure the front section out of the way. So it just helped me to focus on the back. For the back parts, I applied a generous amount of edge control to tame the perimeters of the hair and also to keep those flyaways in place. Since my natural hair is very short, I sectioned it and I started with applying the edge control in between the strands to make it hold and lay flat smoothly. This step is important for me so that it helps my hair to lay flat in one place. Once that is done, I'll gather all the hairs together with a rubber band to hold it in place, and I'll also brush it thoroughly into a smooth ponytail. Like, I'm using a strong bristled brush to help me gather every strands of hair in one place. And for this process, I am going to really take my time because I'm going to really perfect it, because no bumps is allowed. So after I had secured it really well, I'm still going to go back again and crochet a strand of hair to pass underneath the knot that I have. The excess of doing this is to make sure that the hair doesn't pull out. It doesn't kind of pull off when I am, adding the hair at the back. So this is just a way of me trying to secure it properly. I don't want any unprecedented situation around this hair. So yeah, and I'm also showing you the finished look of how neat this looks. It takes time, but at the end, it all worth it. Then to the front part, I am bringing out my baby hair. I don't want to stress this part. So for the front part style, I am going to be parting my hair into three. So on this part, I am parting it out so I can have like a jumbo braid on that side, and on this part as well, I am doing the same thing. Then for the middle part, I am just going to leave that aside. So to have a neat part, I am going to be applying that edge control, then go back again and reline it, and I'll secure this with a rubber band just to take it out of my way. I'll do the same thing on this part. Then I'm going to focus on the middle part here. Here I am doing exactly what I did at the back of the hair. I'm doing it at the front side by applying the edge control. So if you have really long hair, you don't have, like, if your natural hair, you can pack your natural hair into ponytail. You don't have to do all of this. But if you wanted to really have a sleek ponytail, like you want it to be sleek, you want it to lay back really flat, then this step is very important. So, and because I have a short hair, I had to go in between my hair strands and apply the edge control. Like the same reason I gave when I was in the back is the same reason for the front part, just so it lay really flat. And coupled with the fact that I also relaxed my hair, so they all work together like a collaboration. You get me, guys? Yeah. So I'm going to braid one strand on this part, and I'll also do the same thing on the other side. I just wanted to add a flex to it. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I am doing. So I'm going to proceed with the application of the edge control. And once I am done applying the edge control in between the hairs, I'll brush it back to meet with the one I have at the back. I know that some of you will be wondering, why don't I just section the sides of my head and just leave this one with the back and brush it at once? I didn't do that because I feel it will not give me that smooth laying that I will want. It will not really lay flat because I don't have a long hair. My hair is short, so doing it like this, sectioning it like this bit by bit will actually make it work well and make it lay really flat. You can see what we are working with, how smooth and how sleek it looks. So yeah, I'm going to use the extension from the braids that I did on the side. I am going to use that to further secure this hair like no man's business. So yeah, onto the side of my head, I am going to also apply the edge control in between the hairs. You guys already know why I'm doing all of this, to make the hairs stick together, and also I'll be able to have them hold in one place without any flyaways. So I'll brush it. After brushing it, I'll use the brush as well to further make it sleek really well. Then I'll use a rubber band to hold them together. Then I will braid it. So yeah, it's as simple as ABC. When I get to the part where I am going to be braiding the hair, I'll make sure the hair braid is loose. The reason why I'm doing that is so that when I'm going to be manipulating it, it will be a lot easier for me. I won't have to struggle with the hair. So when you're doing yours, make sure the hair is loose when you're braiding it. And this is what we have. It looks cute and it's giving me that Fulani vibes. So yeah, this is the part where you will start manipulating the braid. You will start dragging out the strand to make it a lot bigger and loose, and also to give it that kind of butterfly shape. I've forgotten what this style is called. So basically, this is what I am going to be doing. You extend it out on each strand. When you make it loose, it's a lot easier for you to manipulate it. So this is what we have, guys. And to make this look really nice, I am going to place them on top of each other. So this is looking like you have a band. That's just what this style is giving. Like you have an airband. When you like, just picture a braided airband, a black braided airband on a ponytail. That is what this style is giving, and it is really beautiful. You can also lose it and you know take it back if you don't want it to be in the front like this. I'll show you a picture of what I am talking about. So when you get to this point, you just, you just use your own discretion to tidy up the hair as you want. You might even do it a lot neater than I did mine. So I am using bobby pin to secure the end of the hair in the back, so more like I am hiding it. I don't want it to show, and I'm just going to tug it around and see how it looks. And yeah, that's it for the front. So over to the back, I'm going to be taking out 3 strands from this hair. It comes in 6 strands. I'm going to be taking out 3 strands for the back. So this hair, I bought it for goddess braid. That's what I wanted to use it for. And because I am a bit scared, I don't know what I will get if I should spread out the hair, more like I lose it out a bit. I don't know if it's going to disrupt the curls. So I had to leave it like that. I'm not going to touch it because I still want to use it for what is intended for. I just came up with the idea of trying it out with a ponytail, and honestly, I am super amazed. Like I am amazed because it is really beautiful, and the length is perfect for ponytail, 60 inches, very long up to my waist. It is really perfect. So I placed it on my hair and I just secured it with a rubber band. After this one, I still went back with an extra rubber band to make sure it is really, really secured, because I do not want story that touches the heart when I'm outside. I don't want it to fly off my head. So yeah, to conceal the part where the rubber band is showing, as usual with a sleek ponytail, I went ahead to take out one from the three left, and I used that to conceal that part where the rubber will be showing. I just wrap it around. I didn't know why my camera did not capture that side, but what I did basically was easy and simple. I just keep, wrapping it around the parts where the rubber band is showing, and I'm also using it to tighten the hair. Like, this hair is so tight. This hair is like that perfect relationship you want with your spouse. It is really, really secured and really, really tight. So yeah, and that's it, guys. And after that, I'll just go into my spray hood. This spray hood, I've had it for like 2 years. It's a whole lot, and it is really, really affordable, and it's super, super, super strong when you put it on your hair, especially when your hair is newly relaxed or freshly relaxed. It is super, super strong. So yeah, I'm holding a mirror in front of me, so I'll be able to see the back. And here you have it, babes. A gorgeous, quick braided ponytail that is perfect and easy to do at home by yourself for this year 2025. So if you try this sleek braided ponytail tutorial, tag me in your recreation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair tutorials like this one. Bye.